Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a function in Python. A function is a block of code that is used to perform a task. We can repeat the function many times as per our requirement, which means that we define a function once and a user can use over and over again. So this is called a function in Python. Now I'm going to explain you how to use the function. Function in Python are defined using the keyword def, and after the keyword we write the name of the function with parenthesis. So here I write the name of the function with parenthesis, and after that I put colon to get inside the function. And now I'm going to simply print a string which is hello, and in the next line I'll put return. Return are used to get out of the function. When I hit enter, we can see we will go out of the function. So here the new line is started. So now I'm going to call the function. To call the function, we simply write the name of the function. So now I'm simply write the name of the function followed by parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we can place any argument. So here I don't put any argument. I'm going to simply call the function with the name. So here we get the result a string, which means that when we call the function with this name, the function is called and this hello is printed in output. So this is all about to calling and defining the function.